What I'm working on is a 26 gauge fine silver bezel, 3/16 in height. I'm going to be welding the seam closed for setting a corrode bolter opal. What I'm using to weld with is Orion 150i Pulse arc welder. My settings are down to nano with 1mm diameter weld spot, 0.4mm on depth. I'm using 30 gauge fine silver filler wire to reinforce my weld and go back over it. Get rid of any little craters or inconsistencies. My settings are 11.3 watt-seconds of energy, 8 millisecond weld length, no agitation, standard ignition. Weld diameter is still 1.6mm and depth is 0.6. I'm in rapid fire mode and we'll go down the length, welding the two wires together. No weld is visible from the front. The metal I'm working with is the new Continuum from Stellar, which is palladium based sterling silver. The settings are 13.9 watt-seconds on energy, micro range, 8 millisecond weld length, no agitation, standard ignition, 1.7mm diameter weld spot, 0.7mm weld depth.
The framework of wires has been welded together with the Orion, and it also was welded to the bezel cup, which was made out of a continuum silver sheet on the bottom and fine silver for the bezel. At this point we're going to be fabricating a bail to hang the piece on, and also two bezels are going to be welded to the side to pick up the accent color, so we'll use some accent stones to perk up the opal. And by the time all this is welded together, that means other than soldering the bezel wire, which is the wall, onto the sheet, this piece will have been totally fabricated with the Orion.